Hey guys, and welcome to Comfy Cozy Us. So this week is a reading vlog, bit of a announcement of things that I'm planning for April. But before that, how you guys doing? Cause yeah, it's been an interesting week. To be honest, I am not on quarantine because my job is an essential job, so I have to go to work. With that said, it is exhausting because I'm paranoid. So when I get home, I'm stripping at the damn door, throwing my clothes in the washing machine, and then like tracking all my steps that I made so far, like as far as like the doorknob, wiping off the doorknob and all that. Um, but then I laugh at myself because I'm like, I am not even job wise. I am that distance crap doesn't apply to me. Job. Because we are close to each other at work, and it's now a matter of we just hope and pray no one gets sick, because we are literally in small space together. So, it is what it is, and I am still trying to smile through all of this and enjoy the humor from my mother, who sends me a lot of really interesting videos and memes to keep me smiling. But then I'm also paranoid because every day I call her. I'm used to talking to my mom every day via, text. But since the situation, I call just because I want to hear her voice. I want to make sure she's doing well and she's not, sick and not telling me. So I want to hear her voice. So other than that, I'm okay. I'm finding, ways to not go crazy. So all you people that's quarantine and staying in house, yes, it's hard, but enjoy it because to me, you don't want to be out there. It's just uncomfortable as hell. You don't want to be out there. And there's really nothing out there, to be honest with you. I literally go to work and come straight home because everything is closed. I do mean everything. So, yeah. But other than that, what am I doing? I am going to officially announce that I am doing April's a journal mood over on Instagram. So I did it for spring. Not spring, sorry. I did it for October. What? I did it for November. All right, here we go. That's correct. So I did it for November and I enjoyed it. I know a lot of you guys enjoyed it. So it's the same setup. And if you want more detail, you can hop over to my Instagram, where by the time you see this video, that will be up already. All the information, the word prompts, all of that is up. Right now, I'm literally working on it, getting it together, have it in picture form so you guys can see it on there. But like I said, it will be up by the time this video comes out. I'm excited and I hope that everybody take opportunity to partake because we have never experienced none of this. I mean, unless you lived through World War II situation where everything was shut down, but we really have never experienced anything on this kind of this situation worldwide. And I think it's a great way to write, express your feelings about it, and a journal to have where maybe 10 years, 20 years from now, you can look back at where you were mentally during all of this chaos. So but then again, not gonna talk too much on here about it because I want you guys to go over to my Instagram and get all the detail. And there's a perk that's I'm adding, so that will be over there as well. And that's about it. So what am I reading, guys? Oh, just a quick question. Anyone having struggle reading doing this mess? I found it. I started watching so many movies. It's ridiculous that I wasn't reading a lot. But I did finally pick up this book again. I did read like a few pages like a week ago, and then I just kind of put it back down for a little because I wanted to read something else first. But this is the second book in the series. But it is what's the word I'm looking for? It reads like a separate book in terms of the storyline in this. It's a Texas Ranger and he's drawn into a new case, but the new case does have something similar to do with a situation from the last book where he's investigating this group. But in this so far, what I would say is Darren is still Darren. his mom is still crazy, but it's entertaining. And one of the perks about Alec is she works in the film industry as well. So she knows how to write to keep your attention, to keep you wanting to turn a page, and to get to the point. Like, she doesn't really drag, and that's one of the perks of a lot of screenwriters that know how to, when they do, venture into a regular novel. Really enjoying this so far, and I'm only about a little over halfway. So definitely will be finishing it in another day or so, and I'll let you guys know if it's, you should. But I would say, if you haven't read this, please read the first one, which is Bluebird. It's really good, and so if you really gonna want to read this, and so far to me, this is really juicy. Like, I don't know where it's going as far as the case in this, because they're pretty much trying to find a boy, and the boy's associated with this group that he's been tracking and trying to investigate. But how he got the case is what's interesting, because it feels like it's a setup. So we'll see how this goes. And that's it. But I'm gonna cook and show you what I'm cooking today. Yay. Hey guys, so today is one of those days. So much has changed in the last less than 24 hours. So I'm actually sitting in the car, like, just trying to breathe a little before I go inside the house and do my daily routine of stripping and cleaning down before I get comfortable in my own house. Yeah, we're doing that. So anyway, I stopped at the supermarket, and it was just nothing in there. But then I was like, I just need some more meat, because I've been eating meat the last couple of days, and I was running out. I was starting to feel like I'm getting too low on meat. And then I picked up a price of freaking chicken, and I was like, who the hell buying this? They literally jacked up the chicken price by 3 times what the price of chicken normally is. And I thought, like, but there wasn't even that much that was there. But for that price, I was just like, no, I'm gonna eat what I have, and it's just gonna be some vegetable going on. But some vegetarian business, because there's no way I'm spending that kind of money on meat. Let me know in your area if the price of meat just got sky high, like, or it's just my area. Let me know. So hey guys, I'm gonna end this vlog right now, where I'm gonna talk about having my home, and basically I'm gonna continue just saying that the story is interesting. It does follow a little boy who is a son of someone who did a hate crime, and that person has interest in the story in other ways, as well as you get to see what's going on. I don't want to give away that part, but it was kind of interesting, and how Darren, the main character, reacts to that man. It is very much a mystery, because you don't know where the little boy is the entire book towards the end. This is when you get a clue of what could have happened. Did he die? Is he alive? What's the deal? You get all that information at the end. But Darren's life is very much entangled in this. His mom, and it seemed like old women just drive the man crazy, because another character is an old woman that is not playing, don't play. So I like this. I was very entertained. I was very much in this case, I wasn't that annoyed with him as much as I was in Bluebird. Bluebird, I was like, he needed ass whooping in Bluebird, because he just was doing the most. But this one, you know, you get to see Darren being Darren, and also you kind of feel for him, because he's caught up in a really, really interesting situation, and that was revealed that had to do with this one, which is why you have to read this one first before you get to this one. But what I'm gonna say is, as far as the series is concerned, they're fast paced, so it is not there's no unnecessary filler. You literally each page is giving you something new, some lead, some kind of clue to what's going on, and you will want to read this. I love this more than I love this, and I really did like this, so that should tell you. And I love when a series gets better and better. I just hope that she doesn't take forever for the third book, because the way this ended, I really want to know what's going to happen next. So yeah, guys, if you haven't noticed, they are both a yes. Read them, and I'm gonna end this here. So yeah, hi guys. So if you have a smile today, I hope you smile right now. Give me a smile. We know it's rough, but we're gonna get through this, and we're gonna be entertained with books until the madness is over. So pick them up on Kindle, because I mean, if you have e-readers, or if you already have this on your shelf, because I know a lot of bookstores are really affected by all of this right now, but you know, we still can support the authors with their e-copy. So yeah, pick these up, guys, and have a good day. Bye.